What's up? This is Casey from Casey's Customs. This is a Sunday bonus video. In this video, I was going to do a shop tour, kind of show you everything I'm working on in my shop right now. This is my home garage. I actually have a shop down the road where I have 4 or 5 customer cars in it that I work on every day. I was going to go through a tour of that and kind of show everybody what we're working on. But this beautiful lace paint job video that I did on Tuesday is doing very well. I think it's at 30,000 views in like 2 days or something. And in that video, I have dozens of comments of people wanting to see the full process of how we did all this. I think I have 20 or 30 minutes of raw footage. We're gonna go ahead and post all that here. If this isn't what you wanted, I'm sorry. If it is what you wanted, you're definitely gonna see a more in-depth look of how we did this lace job. So, let's get to the footage. So my dad is gonna be here any minute. We're gonna go ahead and start taping off this roof. Whenever it's all taped off, we're gonna go through all the layers. Let's get it all taped off. Check it out, it's looking good. Super excited. Also, the lace just came in. Oh, I feel like a pretty lady. Look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to try and get the camera above. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Somehow I want to hang it up because I want it to shoot down. Because really, this is not a cool shot whenever you're doing paint work. I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous. It looks really good. My dad didn't see the bodywork and he came in. He was like, damn, the bodywork looks pretty good. I said, I know. Considering what it was, I'm very happy. Definitely not perfect by any means, but it's pretty damn good, especially for this build. So I'm gonna figure out how to put that camera up there. I don't know how yet, but I'm gonna make it happen so that we can shoot down. time to untape it. It's been about, I don't know, 6 or 8 hours since we painted it. We're gonna go ahead and get it untaped now. We ended up spending the entire day on this. I think we started at 9:30 or 10 and then got done at like 4. So, I mean, we spent a hell of a long time. We could have got a little more crazy with it, but I'm really happy with how it came out. Let's get it untaped and then I'll kind of get you in there and show you exactly how it looks. Also, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but look at how much pearl is on the floor and on the masking tape. It's amazing. All right, let's see. All right, I don't think I can do this one-handed anymore. I don't want to mess anything up. Cool. All right, I'll pull one more line and then we'll see. Nope, I don't want to get greedy. I don't want to get greedy. Here we go. Absolutely perfect. Cool. The tape pulled it up, the shitty paint in a couple spots, but I'm okay with that. Our pinstriper can work with that. It also kind of matches with the patina, which I like. Wow. Oh, man. Wow, it looks good. What's cool, we did this black outline. Not only does it kind of make it look a little bit better, it kind of makes it look, I don't know, a little more official, but that'll give our pinstriper like even more room. He could come in here with black to just kind of sharpen up these tips, these points, or he can come in with a whole different color and then work with the black, you know, almost like do like a crazy red or something on the edge. I don't know. I'll talk to him about it whenever he comes here, but very, very impressed. All right, let's get it the rest of the way untaped. All right, ready for a satisfying video? Oh, yeah. Damn! It looks so good. I don't know what's showing up on camera and what's not. Cool. I ended up getting the GoPro up there, kind of pointing down. It looks like the footage is pretty good, but came out really good. Roof still has a couple little dents here and there, but nothing too crazy, and I love it. What I didn't want, the main thing I didn't want, was to make it just super loud and just like instantly right to it. It's actually why we ended up going with the silver in the renderings that I had a couple buddies do. The silver actually blended in better than the white. I wanted it a white originally because off-white was kind of the color of a factory two-tone roof, but it just didn't look right, and this just blends in perfect. This patina will still get cleared, but I'm going to wait until the pinstriper lays his lines down, and then I'll clear over his pinstripes to kind of protect him. But before, I don't know if you noticed, or I don't know if you saw in the other videos, but I actually did my patina, Poppy's patina, which is a wipe-on clear coat. I did that on the lower half, but I did not do it on the top. Because of this, what I'll end up doing is I'll actually go ahead and end up re-clearing everything. I have plenty of it, so it'll actually be a second coat down here, and then we'll do it all up here too as well. So we'll basically be double clear coating this and then clearing this with the pinstripes. But my pinstriper's not going to be here, I think, until next week, so we will do that on the next episode. I am beat, so we're going to end it here. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully you liked this video as much as I did. I absolutely love watching the lace. That's just like one of those satisfying videos for me. I could watch that all day. I love the tape coming off, especially when it's a real clean and crisp line. In the next video I have coming out on Tuesday, we have a pinstriper coming out, and he's gonna finalize some of these lines and make it look even better. So please make sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you to do in the videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace.